Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to follow recently unfollowed pages in Facebook. If you're someone who uses Facebook regularly, you may have accidentally unfollowed pages that you still want to see posts from. Fortunately, Facebook makes it easy to reconnect with these pages and start seeing their updates again. In this video, we'll be showing you how to follow recently unfollowed pages in Facebook. Step 1 is to download the Facebook app if you haven't already. You can find it in the Play Store by searching for Facebook. Once you've found the app, tap on the white F with a white background and then tap on Install. Once the installation is complete, open the app and sign in. Step 2 is to access the app settings. To do this, tap on the 3 stacked lines in the top right corner of the screen. This will bring up a menu where you can access the app's settings. Step 3 is to navigate to the Preferences section. Scroll down until you see the section and then tap on it. Step 4 is to select Newsfeed. This will bring up a list of all the pages you've followed. Step 5 is to reconnect with recently unfollowed pages. To do this, tap on Reconnect. All the recently unfollowed pages will appear on the screen. Step 6 is to follow the pages again. To do this, tap on Follow next to the page's name and picture. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily follow recently unfollowed pages in Facebook. This can be helpful for keeping up with updates from pages that you're interested in. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below.